There is a power within you, a power that can touch hearts and change lives. Listen closely and feel every word. When you make a promise, keep it. When you say, "I'll be there," make sure you show up. People may tolerate small lies, but they lose trust in big hearts that break promises. Be honest with your words. That honesty is the light that draws people toward you. Look into people's eyes when you listen. Open your ears and truly hear them. When you listen to someone, reach their soul. People never forget the one who truly understood their pain. Listening is your strength. It's your greatest weapon. Give people what makes their lives better. Knowledge, time, courage, or even a small piece of advice. These things make you valuable. When you genuinely help others change their lives, they begin to feel incomplete without you. Know your limits and respect the limits of others. The weak one is not the person who sets boundaries, but the one who doesn't know their worth. When you value yourself, the world starts respecting you. Control your emotions. Never make decisions in anger. Think with a calm mind and stay consistent. Consistency is what builds trust. When people see that you stand firm, no matter the situation, they begin to trust you. Share your smile. Spread hope. Give encouragement. Hope connects hearts. The person who brings light becomes a blessing to others. Ease their pain, bring smiles to their faces, and you'll see how naturally they're drawn to you. Be trustworthy. When someone shares a secret with you, protect it. Trust and confidentiality build relationships like strong fortresses. People are drawn to those who can keep their secrets safe. Keep learning every single day. Improve your skills, gain new knowledge. When you become capable of providing solutions, people will know that when they need someone, you'll be there. And most importantly, keep your intentions pure. Your purpose should never be to control others, but to help them, uplift them, and protect their trust. When your intentions are pure, your presence becomes honorable. Now take action. Raise your truth. Learn to listen. Share value. Set boundaries. Control your emotions. Spread hope. Protect secrets. Keep learning. Purify your intentions. This is the path that makes people come closer to you. Not bound by chains, but connected by love, trust, and respect. Your presence will become precious. Your words will carry weight, and people will naturally begin to value you. May Allah bless you with pure intentions, guide your path, and make you a source of light in the lives of others.